Triggers are good for you. This is Matthew Bartolo, Unfiltered Therapy. Yes, I just said that triggers are good for you. Hoping this video will trigger you. I'm not talking about people who suffer from severe anxiety disorders or PTSD here. I'm talking about everyone else who thinks that being triggered is a bad thing. Feeling emotions, which is what we are talking about when we say I've been triggered, this topic triggers me, is very natural. Every emotion is a trigger for our body and mind to do something about that situation. If you're feeling sad, the trigger is for you to spend some time alone, to reflect and to heal yourself. If you're feeling fear, that is a moment where your brain works fast so that you assess if the situation is dangerous or not. If you feel anger, that means that you need to change something about that situation. And anxiety is a trigger to help us prepare our body and mind for what is being perceived as a threatening situation. So if there is a topic that is triggering you, instead of avoiding that topic, take it as a growthful experience. Think about the trigger, reflect on the trigger and the topic that is triggering you, and do something about it.